Hi students, welcome to HP Kapriya School. I am Nisha James and taking Biology Practical. Today we are going to do another 11th standard Biology Practical, that is the TS of root nodule. So what is root nodule? In some leguminous plants, the root is producing some outgrowth that is called root nodule. This root nodule is the seat of symbiotic bacteria. Some of the bacteria that is living in close association with this legume root, that is called symbiotic association. This symbiotic bacteria which will help in nitrogen fixation. As a result, the legume plants are getting more amount of nitrogenous salt. The plants are using this nitrogenous salt for the preparation of protein and other structures. So today we will find out the presence of this symbiotic bacteria in the TS of a root nodule. So we are starting the practical. So practical number 19, TS of root nodule. So this is the diagrammatic view, sectional view of a TS. So because in diagram it is very clear, when you are taking TS, you can find bacteria as a small black dots. You can't see a well expanded structure. So first I am explaining what about the TS of root nodule in a diagrammatic view, then I will show you the slide. Okay. So this is the TS of root nodule. So this is the TS of a root. It consists of the layers like epidermis, cortex. In that way all the layers it is having. And from the outer part of this nodule or outer part of the root, you can find a small outgrowth. That outgrowth is called root nodule, a small spherical outgrowth. When you take a sectional view of this root nodule, you can find that within some of the cell, you can find some dot, black dot-like structure. This dot-like structure, just here in this diagram I have represented with blue dot. The blue dot is representing bacteria. So within this nodule cells, you can find presence of the bacteria. This bacteria is a symbiotic bacteria as it is living close association with the pea plants. Legume plants, its common name is pea plants. Okay, so now we have to do the practical. So when this practical is asking, you have to do the diagram, you have to do the labeling. This is the root TS and this is the nodule TS. Nodule consists of an epidermal layer within which the central cells are occupied with the bacteria. Now I am going to show you, okay, what about the structure. So this is a root nodule. Okay, so this is the root nodule. So within the root nodule, so this is entire root. Okay, and these are the fibrous root, lateral root. On the surface of the lateral root, you can find some small outgrowth. This outgrowth is called root nodule. So when you take a TS, okay, you can take section in both way. You can take only the section of nodule. You can take the root with nodule. Okay. So this nodule, when you take a section of this nodule, you can find small bacteria. Bacteria, as it is microscopic, it will appear like dot. So that is our practical. Okay. Now I am going to tell you how to perform the practical. Okay, so here you can find on the corner side you can find fine black dots, that is indicating presence of bacteria. Okay, so in all the TS you will not get that. In some of the TS only you will get it. Okay, so I think all of you understood this. So that is our practical. Okay, so pointer I have already kept there. Okay, so that is our practical. Okay, thank you. So okay students, so I told you how to take the section. After taken the section, we have waited for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, I have transferred the section in the slide. Okay, first you have to keep the section, then you have to add a drop of water and then you have to put the cover slip. So how to put the cover slip, that I already explained in my first video. Now you have to keep it under the microscope. As you know that before keeping the slide under the microscope, first you have to adjust the light. Okay, so I have already adjusted the light. Now you have to keep the slide. Okay, I am keeping this in 10x. Okay, now you have to adjust both fine adjustment and also coarse adjustment screw. Okay, now when you adjust this, you will get in the corner some black dot like structure, minute dot like structure you can find. That is the bacteria. Okay, as I already told you that bacteria is very minute and microscopic, so it will just appear like black dot. Okay, so that is our practical, and this is very important. This is one of the experiments that can be asked for practical examination. So what we have done, we have taken a TS of the root nodule, we have transferred the thin section into a watch glass containing Gram's iodine. Gram's iodine is a stain used for the staining of bacteria. Wait for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, you have to transfer the section in a slide. Then keep a drop of water or glycerin. In examination, you have to use glycerin. Then you have to put the cover slip, keep it under the microscope, and then you have to observe. Okay, so that is our practical. Now I will show you the slide. Okay students, now I am going to tell you how to perform the practical. So for this practical TS of root nodule, first I will tell you what are the various materials required. First we have to take the leguminous root. Okay, you have to keep this root in a beaker containing water, otherwise it will get dry. Then you have to take the stain, that is Gram's iodine, because Gram's iodine is the stain that can be used for the staining of bacteria. Okay, then you need a watch glass, then a brush and also dropper. Okay, and as it is a transfer section, you need one slide and cover slip. So these are the various materials required for this practical. What are the various materials? First one, root. To take the TS, you need a root with nodule. Okay, so I already showed you what is the appearance of root nodule. Then Gram's iodine, then watch glass, then the slide and cover slip, dropper and also brush. Now I am starting the practical. First you have to take a suitable legume root. Okay, so I have taken the root. So on the surface of this legume root you can find small projections, globular projections. These are called the root nodule. So here you can find root nodule. You have to take a TS of this root nodule only, or if the root is thin, okay, if the root is thin, sometimes you will get thin root, then you can take a TS in the entire way. Okay, so now I am starting. So first you have to dip the blade, you have to take a fresh blade, then only you will get a good section. That I already told you in transfer section. So first you have to dip the blade so that its sharpness may increase. Then you have to take thin sections in this way. Okay, so you have to cut it continuously till you are getting thin sections. After taking 5 or 6 sections, you have to transfer this section in a watch glass containing Gram's iodine. Okay, so I have already added the Gram's iodine solution in this watch glass. Now I have transferred the sections that I already taken. Now you have to wait for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, you have to take one of the best section and you have to transfer this in a slide. Okay, so we are waiting for 2 minutes.